So I'm still in the kitchen, took the cover off, which is right there, and I'm getting ready to remove this. This is I had to ask someone, this is a in-floor furnace. This is the underside of the in-floor heater. What I'm trying to do is get the gas line removed. I already started removing it. I was a little shocked at how it is held into place. It literally just has roofing nails, 1.5 inches that are 2 on each side.
Now, it should come out. The bottom of it is all.
I think that's where everyone has swept their dirt for the past, I don't know, 50 years. I think they swept it into the furnace. Got this thing out of here. Wonder how much change is down in there. What do you think? I mean, I just feel like I hit jackpot. This is all change out of the furnace. So I'm gonna flip that furnace over and go through and get all the change out of the dirt. I just called my doctor to make sure I'm up to date on all my vaccines, Bordetella, you know, all the normal ones that people get. Trying to think, worms, you know, all the normal vaccines that I need to take. He said I wasn't up to date on my tetanus. I can't believe there's that much stuff in that floor furnace. What is this thing? What is it? Looks like some animals been living in there. Okay, alright. Has insulation. Looks like a little animal has been burrowing right there. I gotta get it removed now, so pretty sure you can, let me give you another peek. Pretty sure you guys know what that is.